Yo, 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 welcome back to the channel. I see you made it. You already know what time it is. It's money time. It's 7 a.m., y'all. It's 7 a.m. Right now, I'm looking at the news. I'm just going to jump right into it. You feel me? I'm looking at the news right now. And today is the 8th. And we do not have any U.S. news. All right, so let's go ahead and just jump right into the charts real quick. I don't know why this is there, but that's weird. Okay, anyways. We got this and that. Okay. I don't know what that is. I'm my old stuff. Okay, so all right, anyways, let's just go ahead and get into the charts, y'all, for real. Okay. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's look at what we got here. All right, so this week, let's just do a sum up of this week. Let's see what our gold has been doing. We caught this position here. The group is in at 1941. All right. As you can see, market is still going into our favor. I'm starting to think that we could still get this push down here. This is why I have these cells here. I want to see us push down, back down into this area here, and possibly taking out those lows. So that's what I'm looking for at the moment. All right. Okay. So remember yesterday, recapping on yesterday, and basically yesterday, I was saying how she slipped here and we needed to fill this. So, this pink box here is the area of slippage that I marked, right? Now, as you could see yesterday, the buys yesterday down here would have played out pretty well. They didn't get as high as up here, but they did come up into that 100 pip area. So I was thinking like, okay, they took me out at break even yesterday, and I took a L yesterday on the buys up, but I just went ahead and waited to see what was going to happen. Later on, I knew when I came back today, there was going to be something to show me what's going on. We still have this liquidity above, so I'm gonna mark it. I mean, if that's, yeah, that's still there. Okay, we still have that, right? And then above, kind of like these two tops here, right? So we're gonna keep our eyes on that. And 1923 is where I'm looking at price, seeing, I'm trying to see if price is going to Okay, I don't know how much of that you guys caught, or how much um, y'all heard of that, because my mic went out, and it also looks like I lost connection too, like some frames were dropped. All right, well, anyways, back to it. I mean, I'm leaving the chart up, so as I'm talking, and if sometimes my mic go out, guys, my bad. My bad on that. This is live. It's like not like I'm recording and I could go back and watch the video and edit it and then give you guys that clear, perfected um, product or content, should I say. But no, it is live, and live shit happens, guys. Live shit happens, right? Mics go out, shit, trades get lost, you get hit, boom, or whatever, right? Your analysis don't work out. People come in the room, it's just, this is streaming, right? Nobody's planning. I mean, you could plan your stream, but I don't. I just get on here. I really do. Just get on here and just be myself, and that's it. And I just show you guys charts. Um, so yeah, let's just keep watching this trade here. You see the hourly. Sheesh. Yo, okay, so we have our areas, our targets below. So we're looking for these areas uh, to be hit, filled with some type of candle. Could be white or black. I don't care, just long as it gets down there, right? There is, like I said, things going on above. Just keeping your eyes out on what's above is also a good idea. They did get down into this candle here, but they didn't feel it. See, they got with this candle, they came down and they got up into it, right? And they came down again and they got a little further. They didn't feel it. They didn't get all the way down in there. So I'm thinking like, all right, well, let me wait and see if you guys will get down up in there. Maybe in 30 minutes, 28 minutes, should I say, around 8 o'clock. I could be looking to see like what market is sitting at around the 8 o'clock time. Uh, like around 7:45, 8 o'clock. I want to see what she do. Will she knock me out of this trade, or um, will we turn around and head to these target areas? Now there is liquidity above like crazy. Let me clean it up. We do got that upside liquidity that we just want to, you just want to monitor and just keep your eyes on, guys. That's basically it. 1923. She went up to 19. Oh wait, 25. Okay. Uh, Just looking at the board, just seeing what's going on. $65 more pips. Oh, this is a 5-minute insufficient price action right here. Or is that a 1 minute? I think that's a 1 minute. Yeah, we got, I think, a 1 minute insufficient price action. Here's the 5-minute insufficient price action. Could get there. Wouldn't be surprising. Still got some time. Got some volume coming in, looks like. Um, it's about to be, let me see how she reacts in this area. All right, would it be better to have it up here? How many pips would that be? 30 pips stop. That's not bad. I mean, I can move it to 30 pip versus letting her kick me out at 19. I'll just move it, give it another like maybe above this high. Where is it? 19 pips was here. 27 pips here. Because this is a, oops. This is some money right here on a lower time frame. So I'm gonna just let this come up. I'm not gonna get out of this trade. I'm just gonna let it do like another 15 pips and Actually, it's like another 10 pips. I want to see how she reacts off of this area here because this was a 5 minute and a 1 minute zone. Actually, that's a 1 minute. And then here is a little 5 minute. I'm telling you, man, if I don't mark these fucking 5 minutes, man, these 5 minutes be doing them. All right, let's do it again. All right, boom. So we got monies here. Let's see. She didn't get up into this 5 minute insufficient, but there's a 1 minute insufficient too. So I would like to see that, but guys, look at this insufficient price action above these tops, these M tops. Always keep your eyes on stuff like that when there's M's, because most retail traders like to trade those M's, right? They're taught to trade the M's, and they think that they're going to get that long-term sale off of M's, and they're not. So yeah, I always look at these M's and W's and stuff like that just so I know where the retail traders are playing. All right. So I adjusted to, where did I adjust to? 1927. All right. So I adjust my stop to here. So this way I could give her just a little bit more room to play out. I don't want to get knocked out of 19 pip stop when I know like it's still a strong possibility of her still coming down to the downside, even though she did present this volume to the upside. Strong buy to sell. It looks like they're happening here, but that's just a lower time frame schematic, y'all. Let's just see. I could deal with 31 pip stop. I can handle that risk to get a max reward of 88 or maybe even lower. Let's do right what we usually do on stream. 50 clicks out. Okay, so there's two of these. All right. So I did adjust it, and because I adjusted, the risk to reward ratio went down to 1, which is fine. I just wanted to give my trade a little bit of room to play, and also understand that this is just me playing another position when I'm already in a position at 1941. So this is just another position down here. So, and a little bit of drawdown, but that's fine. It did hit my little, it went above this high, but it didn't go above this high, or it didn't go above the little highs that was down and up in here. So I'm still looking and waiting to see what market is going to do. Like, are you going to go up and hit these insufficient price action zones and see how you react there? Or are you going to come down and hit these insufficient price action zones first before we take to the high side? You know, because I do see these M's here. Or can we just continue down? You guys got to like look at all scenarios. Like, there's not just one scenario in my head. I'm looking at so many scenarios when it comes to trading. And I'm playing my moves based off of that. Based off of what the conditions are in the market is going to determine on how I'm going to trade and what directions I'm looking for my trades to go in, or where that I believe that charts is going to go in a certain direction, so I can make better judgments when it comes to placing my trades, guys. All right. And I'm seeing something on a 15-minute. Nothing really on. Nothing on a 1 minute like that. Except for so tops there. Look at that insufficiency there. Looks like a little more insufficiency over here too. Yep, it is. So we can go ahead and bring this up some. All right. Alrighty. I'm just adjusting. All right, so we got these tops here, and we got insufficient price action above. Definitely something to keep your eye on, guys. Like, you definitely want to keep your eyes on something like that. Strong possibility of heading back up to the upside here. I want to see her get up into this insufficient price action, so that way, I could probably take a better shot, but she didn't give me that, so I could place another shot down on her. She ain't give it to me, so uh, she didn't hit the 5 minute insufficient price action or the 1 minute insufficient price action. So, hey, it is what it is. Still in at the price of 19.23 and still holding. So we're just gonna go with that. All right. I'm gonna watch her now on just a 5 minute. We don't need to watch her on nothing too smaller than that, unless you like watching all that noise. I didn't even need this to be that high. Just maybe, let me see. Maybe it's 4 pips. It don't need to be that high. Um, above that one. 28 pip stop. That's all we need. 1927, 1926. All right. You see why I gave gold just a, oops, sorry. Do you see why I gave gold just a little bit more room to fluctuate? Like, why let the 19 pip kick me out when I can gauge and see that, well, she didn't pass a certain point and she didn't reach into this liquidity yet. So let me just hold it and see what she gonna do. And then look, either you could have took the L and been like, oh, I got knocked out and I'm wrong, or whatever. But hey, or just move your stop like I just did. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. I tell you, like, you here to trade with me, right? Reds will soon be blues. Reds will be blues one day. You just gotta hold it. So let's continue to. I mean, she's flying. Um, Look at that, hitting my POIs that I had marked, guys. We're gonna do this every day, guys. We're gonna do this every day. All right. Let's see where we are. All right. So far, we reached 23 pips in profit. Just in case, again, if you do not know what 23 pips in profit is, right? So we're going to do a little simple math. Let's just say you place like $1 down, right? And so that would be like whatever the pips are, right? Basically is what, $1 times pip. Let me just do, yeah, I thought it was caps. Okay, $1 times pip amount, right? Equals, oops, however much money you know equals a certain dollar amount, right? So $1 times the pip amount equals your money, right? So this is if you just place $1. You can do more than that, guys. You could do, I mean, you could do $10. Let's just do $10, and then times that pip amount, right? Times that pip amount is going to equal sign, whatever the total is after that. So if we're up and running, let's see where we are running right now from this position. 30 pips, right? So so if you did $1, right? So now if you bet $1 times times your 30, right? It's gonna equal $30. if you did $10, okay, let's do this right, times your 30, right? Y'all do simple math. Y'all been to school, right? Y'all stop playing with me. Y'all been to school. All right. Oh my dollar sign. All right, so you made $300, right? So look how fast what does it say? Five minute, like in 5 minutes, how quick they turned around and gave us like the profits that we were looking for, guys. Okay. Oh man, what the heck? Okay, so my bad, y'all. So this is what I really want you guys to understand, that this is what I'm doing here. I'm placing $1 down, or replacing the $10 down, and I'm timesing it by however many pips I make, and this is what my total is that I made for the day. All right. Some people go to work and make their money, and some people just sit at home and start their own business to make their money. I mean, whatever you're doing, as long as you're being productive for the day and you're grinding it out the best way you can to put food on your table, hey, it works for me. But trading is one thing that I feel like I do very well, and it's hard for me to go and work for a person, right? Somebody else telling me what to do every day. When I need to leave my house and get out of my bed, all that. Like, I did that. I was military, ex-military. I know what that's about. I don't choose to want to do that for the rest of my life, guys. So I chose to involve myself in the trading, and I really like trading. I like, stocks. I like stuff like this. So this is something that I can wake up every day, jump out of the bed and do. Literally, I roll out of the bed and I sit in this chair. You feel me? And I trade. And I do this all day. So I need you guys to understand that this is the gameplay right here. Right? So if we just wanted to, I mean, I'm gonna make this little chart thing a little bigger. Like, so this way you guys will know, right? Like 30. All right. So you can kind of get an understanding of the money that's being made here. Oops, I messed up on here. Let's do this. All right. Let's look here. 35 pips made. Give me 1 second. I need to go. 1 second, guys. Where is it? Looking for the stream. All right, hold on. All right, I'm back. I'm back. All right. So let's see. We hit pretty good pips here, guys. If you want, now that we're in profit, you can always manage your trades, guys. You don't have to wait until it actually reaches the target area. You can start managing your trade immediately and protect yourself by moving your stop into break even. Okay. This way you're protected 100% and you ain't gonna lose the trade. So for stream purposes and to keep it safe, I'm going to move the SL now to break even. This way, we can enjoy risk-free trading. Okay. So this is a win or a draw. All right. No matter what, this is a win or a draw. Literally, I'm up on this trade. I don't want to show you guys my balance, but I'm gonna put up a little I'm gonna find out how to do it. I think I know how to do it. I have the app for it. Where this way you guys can look at my phone at the same time as I'm placing trades and what trades I have running. Literally, guys, I'm all blues. You can't really see that. I mean, I know it's like at an angle or something like that, but you could kind of see that it's all blues, guys. All right, because I'm in at this position. So, and we're down here, right? Again, these numbers you can place. Remember I said I placed 3 trades yesterday? I showed you guys I placed 3 trades. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? Something like that. And I said, hey, look, when I get in a position, I literally break down my risk into 3, right? Right. So into 3 different trades. So I need to make 1% or only lose 1%. But I got 3 trades running. So if those 3 trades go back or push against me, I'm in some type of drawdown, I'm losing only 1%, guys, of my account. 1%, right? But I'm going to gain some hella percentage from that trade if she goes and she hits my targets, guys. So there are 3 trades placed here, all right? Not just one, but 3. I have 3 trades here. All right. That are probably, let's put them, let's just go ahead. We're going to make those break even too, right? They're running nice. They're just running nicely. All right. So now I'm like, all right, what can this trade number 1 is already hit in its area right here. My insufficient price action and my targets that I had drawn out for y'all before stream, right? They already hit the targets. Now I'm looking like, okay, so that's the first one. But I wanted to hit the first one. I wanted to hit 50 pips, which is fine. You know, if it doesn't, it's fine. We're at break even. But the second one I wanted to hit down here. I wanted to knock all of these out. And then the third one I just wanted to run these lows down here. right? I wanted to run those lows. So this is gonna be my runner. So I'm gonna close out one once it hits down here to 50 pip. The second entry once it hits down here. And the third one, once it gets down here, well, we might just let that one run, right? We might just let that one just continue to push to the downside because initially I am still in these trades up here at 1941. I'm trying to tell you. So let's do some simple math. Trade is running 200 pips in profit. All right. If my trade is running 200 pips in profit and I put $1 down, how much money did I make? $200. Okay. $200. If I put a $10 down and it went 200 pips in my direction, how much money did I make? $2,000. Just off of one $10 bill. But I tell you, I placed three trades at a slightly bigger lot than that. And now I'm, down here. That's the power of compounding interest, right? I get it, I understand it. So now I just added on to those positions. Boost my equity up a little bit more. You feel me? Let's go. We in the money. We moving in a nice direction. Why not? Right? So here we are. Up here at 1923. And by the way, I did drop this trade in the group for those that are in the trading group, guys. In the signals group, there is a link in the description below. Guys, that's the only, literally, guys, that's the only way that outside of trading do I make money. Okay, and I'm not setting it at a high price like everybody else is setting it. Right? I only set my price I set it at $50. $50. Like literally in one trade, you're gonna make $50 if you put $1 down with me. In the whole month, I'm asking, $50 for the trading signals. If you're not watching the stream, or if you just want, you just want to get the coordinates and that's it, just to know what it is that I'm trading and what I'm looking at. That's what it's for. And it's $50, guys. Like seriously. Chill. and I got the trading the YouTube channel. This is all that I have, guys. For real. I don't have a course. I don't have a prop firm company. I don't work for a prop firm company at all. I'm just trading, doing my own thing in my own world and all that good stuff, right? Now, I do from time to time, like I was working with a prop firm company, but I stopped working with them like a good year ago. I want to say a good year ago. I stopped working with this prop firm company. And I just I got a couple payouts. I wanted to just, trade myself, with on my own brokerage account, and like as you should want to, right? So, but there's nothing wrong with prop firms. Like if they're available, if they're there and they're available, go ahead. And if they're giving you the equity or giving you the leverage or whatever, go ahead and take it. Like I don't see anything wrong with it, to be honest. I just say don't put all your eggs in one basket and don't be in it for the long haul. That's it. That's just how I view it, guys. I'm trying to see if before, let's see how long we've been on stream. Let me check. Where's the stream? All right. All right. So we've been on here for 1 hour and 16 minutes so far. All right. Let's look. Market has been hitting our targets very nicely. Like I drew all this stuff out for y'all in the beginning of the stream. So There it is. Everybody should be in that break even right now. This is a no loss trade. All right, maybe a break even, but we're not losing this trade at all, guys. Even though she did do some pullbacks on us, and that was it. This is enough to put me at break even right now. After she did her fluctuation and pull back and try to knock out some traders and take their stop losses or whatever. That was enough. After she did that and created this wick here on the 1 hour, this was enough to say, hey, we can go ahead and we can be at break even now. You know, you see how that works, right? Why break even right when you're going into a little bit of profit? Because if I would have did that, let's go look right here. If I would have did that break even when I got into a little bit of profit, look how she went up and then just came back into my favor. That doesn't make sense for me to just grab this little bit of profit. That wasn't nothing. Look, 13 pips of profit. What is 13 pips, right? When she was just going to go up, what, she went 20 pips up and then turned around and she's giving us 36 pips, right? Maybe even more. She might go ahead and give us our 50 pips, right? Just because I didn't go break even right when I got in the trade and was put into some profits. Don't do that, right? Give the price to make price action. Give it time, space to breathe. You guys ain't letting it breathe, right? And now you would have missed out on this move right here if you would have just stayed in. You probably would have got break even. Then you would have been questioning yourself, trying to figure out how you should get back into the trade. If the trade is going up, you're probably thinking of buying, or you know, it could it possibly still be going down. But if you have your ideas in mind, it's all about watching with your eyes to see what is going on now, right? So I just went on ahead and just gave her a little bit more space. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. Get your trades some space. I ain't want to lose a trade at 19, right? No, I'm gonna give it some space, and we're gonna wait and see what she gonna do, because I want to see what she gonna do in the future. Like, literally knock me out of my position. Tell me that I'm wrong. This is what I want. Tell me I'm wrong, so that I could go and find out where I need to be right at. That's what I do. I don't know what anybody else does. So did we get down here? Yes, we did. But we didn't get down to here. I'm still waiting on this. Our 100 pip is still being secured, and this position way up here at 1941 is still running nicely. Did take some partials on this trade, guys. I did. I took a lot of partials on this trade, so now I just got just a little bit running up there, and I went, you know, pretty darn heavy right here on this area here, due to the fact that I took those partials up at the top. So I went into a little bit of drawdown, which was fine. I was able to handle that, but look how much I'm deep in profits now, right? If she continues to fall and price comes back down to these areas, I'm going to be in some nice profits, guys. Okay. Let's see. And everybody be like, oh, I made this on stream. I made that on stream. Guys, I be running a couple $1,000s, like thousands of dollars, like on stream. I don't say shit. I just be, you know, in my own little world trading. Like trading, you don't gotta flaunt trading if you're a good trader. You could just be low key a fucking millionaire. People don't even know it. Like, I'm not saying that I'm a millionaire. I'm just saying people could be silent millionaires for tax purposes, and you won't even know it. All right. So But as long as you're able to, you know, I guess, you know, take care of your bills and shit, I guess you could. But I low key just be in my own world, yo, for real. And I just mark my charts and I just do my thing and I get results. That's just that. So, and that's what you should be coming to Forex for, is just to get those results. The results that you're looking for. And it's the whole point of me starting this page was to hand out free game and to get you the results that you've been looking for. And it could be a reason on why you're not getting the results is because maybe somebody hasn't broken it down and explained it to you in a way where you can really comprehend and understand what it is. So if you're watching like my videos and stuff like that and you see that I'm different, you're going to have to break your whole, like if you've learned already trading, because this style of trading is great for people who haven't learned trading, but it's also great for people who do know retail trading ways. And this way they can break it, but it'll be a little harder versus somebody who's brand new and I teach this to them. Oh man, they jump on board and they don't know any other way but the way that I showed them, the way that I teach them. That's it. So if you're new, you're in a good place. But if you're not new and you've been learning trading a whole nother way, it could, you know, mess with your psyche a little bit. You feel me? So you have to break that old way of thinking to be able to trade the way I trade, because I do not look at support resistance at all. I don't even know where that's at on the chart anymore. Like I'm only looking at what I see and the way I trade. That's it. And that's what my eyes is looking at. And I adjust my chart and I adjust my trading and my trades accordingly, guys. That's it. That's it. All right. But ever since, I do want to say that ever since I've been trading this way, my trading has changed drastically. Like all screens just be blue. And I'm consistent with it. And I'm going to still be consistent. I know that I'm going to keep doing this and that 5 years from now, from where I stand right now with my knowledge on my craft, on trading, I know 5 years from now, my trading is going to be super crazy sick. Like I'm gonna been over 10 years in the game, guys. You just get better with time, guys. That's all I'm saying. Just you get better with time. But I know I'm gonna be a beast. I know this. I know I'm gonna be a beast. So, and if you know, a lot of people that didn't sacrifice to get to do this trading thing like I did, and then y'all see me pop out a certain way, and you're wondering, oh, how the heck Mo did that? Well, Mo been working on a craft for 10 years. That's like going to be a doctor, a lawyer or something. Like, I've been working on this craft for a very long time. What do you expect? Me to just stay in one place? Come on, that's not realistic, right? I'm keeping up the consistency regardless if I'm good or bad. I just make myself better and better, and I find my mistakes and I learn from my mistakes, and that's just pretty much it, guys. If you really want to be great at something, just be consistent at it. Put those hours in. And I've been putting years in. And a lot of people are going to see, you know, me, my lifestyle change, and they do see my lifestyle change. My lifestyle has changed drastically. And they're like wondering how the heck that I'm doing that. How did I change my lifestyle around in such a short period of time? And it's because I'm consistent. I'm consistent at what I do, guys. That's it. All right. It don't look like she gave us 50 pips either. No, she still gave us only 37 pips. and she's running. She's running a good 24 pips in profit. But no matter what, guys, we break even. We at break even now. We found a position that we can get in, and now we just gonna break even on that position now. You feel me? After she done did her little dancey dance, now we're just gonna let market do whatever it wanna do, and we just gonna wait. And that's what I do. Like, I don't gotta be here that much longer. Like, if you're in the signals group, you got the position, you got the modification, you got the update, you're getting the updates from me, like, and only me. Nobody else is in control of this group. It's just me. I'm not a scammer or anything like that. I do everything live. I do everything real time, and I try to be as transparent as I possibly can with you guys, right? Of course, as time goes on, I will change some things up when it comes to the trading business that I have. But that's just with any other business. Like, innovation is key. You know, you're going to innovate. So, but right now I have it set the way I have it set. The only thing that, like I said, that I have is a signals group. And if you want to get into my signals group, the link is below. Hit the link, it's free. All right. I do have a paid VIP group where you could get more signals. But I do drop every now and then free signals in the free group. All right. And updates. And I'm updating the free group every day too, by the way, for the most part. Right. So if you're interested in that, you can go and check that out. Or you could just come here to the stream and just watch me trade, watch me put in positions, watch me mark the charts, because the way I'm marking these charts is the way I'm being able to get my signals for the group, right? For my trading group. That's the way that I get the signals. So make sure you are to go and check that out. Okay. Oops. These things ain't locked. All right. So I hope that you guys understand where we stand, and as far as my psyche on trading. Okay. Again, these are my ideas. I am not a financial advisor in no way, shape, or form. Right. I am giving out my ideas. And if you so happen to take my idea, things might happen. Things might happen for you. But yeah, so I definitely, it's Friday, and I have something to do at 10. And I only have an hour and a half to get ready for it. So you guys have the play. Either go ahead and take a screenshot of this, or just meet me back here Monday, 7 a.m. Central Time, and I will give you the update, because market will close today, right? It's the last day of the week, and we've made it, right? To the last day of the week of trading. We are still running trades, and over the weekend, guys, we're going to hold this trade. Now, if you're a part of a company that doesn't allow you to hold trades over the weekend, I would suggest to go ahead and close out your trade before close of today. All right. I don't know where you're at in the world, but whatever time market closes for you, make sure you close out your trade. I would say maybe an hour beforehand. You know what I'm saying? So just go ahead and do that right now. But my broker allows me to hold trades over the weekend. So I will be holding my trade over the weekend. My stop loss is in profit at 1930. Along with the Telegram group, stop loss is at 1932. Also, not two, but also, and This is the play that we have from today's trade. We are all at break even. So if market comes back and hit us break even, so what? You have a trade running at 1941, and if you didn't get in and been following along with us since Monday, then you probably got in on today's trade at 1923, and you should be at break even. All right, I don't want to say that one too many times. If market comes back and smacks us, I don't want um you to be still in the trade. You just don't worry about it, guys. You can get more trades. There's going to be trades. There's trades all day, every day. So when we come back Monday, you will have a fresh start, more trades. You never know. I don't do lives on Sunday, even though market opens up on Sunday. I just do lives on Monday at 7 a.m. Central Time, because I feel like Sundays, well, you can trade Sundays. Sundays is not a bad time to trade. It's just I feel like there's more volume when it comes to Monday New York session. All right. So make sure you guys are back here 7 a.m. Central Time, Monday. Okay. Monday through Friday. I am here live. Okay. Giving you guys my trade ideas. Okay. So make sure you show up so I can show out and get you guys in some good positions, and make sure you're following along and taking notes and all that other good stuff. Okay. I don't want you guys to mix up my words or anything like that, or take the wrong thing and that take what I say and then make it wrong, right? I want you to take the right notes on what it is that I'm saying and what I'm doing, so this way you can know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, no guesswork here. There is no guesswork here, guys. Right, and that's factual. Okay, that's the Google facts. All right, so I ain't gonna hold you guys much longer. I already know we've been on the stream like forever. So I appreciate every last one of you for coming by. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, leave comments. You know, I always get back with you on the comments. All right. So y'all take it easy. I'll see you Monday. One love. Peace.